Manipur dagi hockey Shanaroi P Sushila Chanu Amasung Wushu player and Roshibina Yaona LEIBAK ASIGI TONGANBA Shanaroi kunjarukta ngasi President DROUPADI na Arjuna Award Khutshinnaragani ngasi Rashtrapati Bhavan da pangthokadaba thauramatuda President DROUPADI na badminton Shanaroi Chiraksi Seti Amasung Satwik Sairas Ranki Reddy da Major Dhyanchan Khel Ratna Award Khutshinnabaga loinena Shanaroi kunjarukta Arjuna Award amasung coach nipanda Donya Charza Award su Khutshinnaragani hairi Arjuna Award phanglagadaba Shanaroi sing adudi hockey masana da P Sushila Chanu Amasung Kishan Bahadur Wushu masana da and Roshibina archery da Ozas Pravin Diotel Amasung Aditi Gopichan Swami para archer Setal Devi athletes Sri Shankar M. Amasung Farul Chaudhary boxing da Muhammad Hushamuddin Chester Al Baisali cricketer Muhammad Sami blind cricketer Ilori Ajay Kumar Reddy equestrian da Anus Agrawala Amasung Devakriti Singha golf da Diksha Dagar kabadi da Pavan Kumar Amasung Ritu Negi kho da Nasrin lawn balls da Pinky shooting da Aswari Pratap Singha Amasung Isa Singha squash da Harinder Pal Singha Sandhu table tennis da Ahika Mukherjee wrestling da Sunil Kumar Amasung Antim Amadi para canoeing da Frasi Yadavni regular category da Donators Award Phanglagadav coaching adudi wrestling da Lalit Kumar chess da RV Ramesh para athletics da Mahavir Prasad Saini hockey da Sabender Singha Amasung Malakhamba da Ganesh Prabhakar Devukar ni lifetime category de donators award phanglagadaba coaching adudi golf da Jaskar Singha Grewal kabadi da Baskaran E amadi table tennis da Jayant Kumar Pusilal ni Dhanchand award for lifetime achievement in sports and games na badminton da Manjusa Kanwar hockey da Binit Kumar Sharma amadi kabadi da Kabitha Salvaraj da Piragani hairi Zandim to be University Bengaluru amasung Odisha Mining Corporation Limited na Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puruskar Phanglagani hairi